Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Opposition party leaders in Delta State are calling on the people of the oil-rich state to support and rally around the governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, as he leads the state for the next 3.5 years. The opposition party leaders who spoke to our crew after the verdict of the Supreme Court affirming Governor Oborevwori as the duly elected governor of Delta State in the March 18, 2023 governorship election, observed that partisan politics must not be allowed to distract the governor from the overall development needs of the state.
The legal battle that followed the outcome of the March 18, 2023 governorship election in Delta State finally came to an end 2 weeks ago with the verdict of the Supreme Court affirming Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori as the duly elected governor, with all petitions against its emergence thrown out for want of merit. Scaling this hurdle means that Governor Oborevwori will be in the saddle for the next 3.5 years to make true his campaign promises to the people of Delta State. Delta State Chairman of Inter-Party Advisory Council, IPAC, Honorable Emeka Bidoku, and State Labour Party Chairman, Honorable Vincent Okukwe, say they will support the government in the interest of peace and prosperity of the state.
We cannot have more than one governor in the state. It's one at a time. It can be, it's PDP today, tomorrow it can be another party. So our duty is to support whoever emerges as winner, to make sure we have a peaceful Delta.
It's now the time for us to embrace everyone in Delta State to ensure that his more agenda is fulfilled.
Honorable Okuke and State Chairman of the People Redemption Party called on Governor Oborevwori to tackle the challenges of insecurity and unemployment plaguing Deltans without preferences.
Let him sit down, think, and carry everybody along, because it's not just a governor of PDP now, it's a governor of Delta State.
What we expect of him is total development of the entire state, not for PDP alone, but for the entire Delta.
The past few months have seen a rapid infrastructure renewal by the governor and his team, demonstrating the uncommon will to change the face of the state and drive socio-economic advancement. As the governor moves forward, APC stalwart in the state and ADC senatorial candidate for Delta Central Senatorial District, Honorable Aworo Sylvester, also called on members of the public to rally around the governor to continue the good job he has started in the state.
Everybody as Deltan should work for him, should work with him, should pray that he delivers the dividends of democracy to all Deltans.
We should continue to maintain peace and support the good works of our governor, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori.
Inside the Niger Delta,